What's up, guys? It's your boy Drew back in another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the rainbow flag in this. So yeah, first go check out this person right here. Put them right there. Go check them out. Go to the link in our, I'm going to put a link in my description for this, so you don't have to search up a link. So yeah, or you don't have to look up what I'm looking up right now. So you want to go on it, and you want to hold your finger on, you want to hold your finger on it, and you want to press copy, and then you can go here, and then you can press paste. Hold that down, press paste, and it'll paste all the stuff. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you like this video, and yeah, bye.